Are you struggling with lust? Are you not able to focus on your work due to lust? Well, this is something that is troubling each man and woman. And in this video, I will try to let you know what this problem is exactly and how can you solve it. I will not drag you to the woman theory because you probably knew it already. Let's focus on you and your struggle. Let me tell you something, that you are a human being, a species, and each species have a strong desire to survive, and that is the very reason of lust. It is basically in your subconscious mind, and that's why you do it. But that is the half thing. We are living in 21st century and we are surrounded with technology which has a capacity, and in fact it is exposing you to adult material, and that material has a capacity to destroy you. But let's cut the crap and ask the question which is extremely necessary to ask, and we will pinpoint the solution then. The question is, how can you control it? And how will you be able to do your work with focus? It is a huge topic and it requires a long practice to tame it. But here is an idea to tame it up to a certain extent. Ladies and gentlemen, the solution is run, 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 and increase the duration of running and distance over the period of time. And I know majority of you will not do this, but if you don't apply the solution, then I'm sorry to say, but you will not see a good or better change in yourself. So let me put a challenge here. Let me challenge you. Next evening, whenever it is, run for 3 minutes and do the same for next 3 days. If it helps you, which I'm sure it will, continue doing it. And as I suggest you to sustain the duration or length and increase it with each passing week or fortnight, I'm sure it will help. Another thing that I would like to tell you, I'm not claiming absolute control over it, but you will definitely gain some control, and with time you can master it. There are some other aspects as well which play a big role in this control of lust, and that is consumption of food. But for a matter of time, you should run.